If you've been waiting to try Cricut DTF, today is the day. I'm walking you through the desktop beta step-by-step, showing how to create a gang sheet, place an order, and even score free shipping plus $10 off using Cricut's quarterly discount. Hey friends, welcome back to Robyn and Creative, where we talk all things Cricut, crafts, and saving money while creating. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get full color heat transfer designs without all the weeding and multiple layers of pressing using Cricut's DTFs in the desktop version. First things first, make sure you're using Cricut Design Space on desktop. Go to your user icon at the top right of Design Space, select the gear icon for settings, and under the General tab, you will see Application Experience. Toggle on the beta version if it does not already have a green dot. This will prompt you to restart Design Space, and once it reloads, you'll now see DTF Transfer as an available project option. Beta features may change, but this gives you early access before full rollout. Now let's open a new DTF project by clicking the new plus icon on the top left and select DTF at the bottom of the flyout menu. You will be prompted to select a DTF transfer size. Transfers range from 4 to 6 inch for bodysuit sizes, 7 to 9 inches for youth sizes, 8 to 10 inches for ladies sizes, and 9.5 to 11.4 inches for men's sizes. No worries if you're not making a shirt. Simply select the size that best fits your project. Here's where the magic happens. When prompted to choose your DTF size, select the largest gang sheet option available. This is perfect if you're batching multiple designs for shirts, totes, or small business orders. Simply arrange your designs tightly on the sheet. Rotate when needed, leave minimal space between designs, and use every inch of the sheet to maximize value. This step alone can save you a ton of money per transfer. Next, you want to double check your design sizes, making sure they're not too large or too small for the projects you intend to put them on. Also, check your orientation. For DTF designs, your designs do not get mirrored. Be sure there are no overlapping artwork, and preview the design using the T-shirt color selector to view other options. Once everything looks good, click Continue, and Cricut will prep it for printing as a DTF transfer. If you have used an uploaded image, you will be asked to confirm that you own or have rights to these images. If you have used a licensed print from Cricut Design Space, you will receive a warning that licensed images must be removed or replaced in order to continue. Simply click Go Back, remove the image, and click Add to Cart. You will need to sign into your account. Once you have, you'll see your DTF gang sheet preview, size selection, and pricing clearly displayed. This is honestly my favorite part, saving money. At checkout, apply your quarterly Cricut discount, which gives you free shipping and $10 off your order. Now keep in mind that DTFs are not considered a material. So because this order does not contain any materials, accessories, or machines, the code does not give the discount. No need to fret. I'm just going to browse the shop and add an accessory to make that discount apply. Now make sure that discount is applied before placing your order. This is an easy win if you're ordering regularly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Cricut DTF in desktop beta, created a gang sheet using the largest option, and checked out with free shipping and $10 off. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Cricut tutorials and clearance alerts. Now, go create what's possible.